There's no fun in easy, you know. Challenges are what humans aspire for. Here we are in the sunny Kimberley, West Kimberley, on the Gibb River Road, 280 kilometres east of Derby, at Over the Range Tyre Mechanical Repairs. My name is Nev and Leonie. I'm helping people survive the Gibb River Road. Well, a lot of people are out of their depth when they do the Gibb River Road. It's not the challenge it was, say, 10, 15, 20 years ago. I don't believe it is, but it still gets really rough. Tyres are a big part of the business. Trailer repairs, caravan repairs, and a few psychologist sessions every now and then to help people along. You know what I mean? You want to travel with a caravan or a trailer or whatever. Most people say, oh, you know, you're crazy and you know, you're just going to wreck it. But yeah, I've never seen a hearse with a tow bar on it, so you can't take it with you. You may as well have a go. We get a break during the wet season. I get to watch the storms roll in. Before you know it, the dry season starts again, and the Gibb River Road Rodeo starts all over again. It's the whole reason why I've chosen this place is I felt an overwhelming sense of comfort and feeling home. Little things make me happy. Like I was in my caravan once and a little double bar finch flew in and landed on my toe. I never saw myself as being a spiritual kind of person, but I feel I definitely do have a spiritual connection with the place now. I'm actually not here to make a living, you know, because it's a job that I've applied for and it's just a job I have to do. I don't have to do this. I could do lots of other things. I've got lots of other skills, and I'd be probably better off if I was flying in and out from somewhere and doing that, you know what I mean? And when you get to help people out, you straight away you're on a positive spin. I've never actually seen any children with anyone on the bike, so I think your plan was to get them really early, because I hear they're only 3 and 5 years old, so I'd say they didn't have much choice.